Right up there is where a lot of people lost their lives up there. There's foundations that are gone. Over here, people lost their life. You can hear the chainsaws going in the background. An American flag and huge trees pulled up. And right up there on the top of that little hill is where 4 people lost their life. Right by the tornado warning siren. And then over this direction is a huge building. It's completely tore down. And this is on the Coosa River, or John Henry Neely Lake. April 29th, 2011. This is Highway 77 right over here, and we're on kind of a little peninsula out in the middle of the lake.